What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to reservice the oil life reminder in your 2023 Volkswagen Atlas. I actually have the car running right now. You can do this with the car running. You're going to use the buttons right here on your steering wheel to go ahead and get to the menu that's going to allow you to do this. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll over until you get to where it says driving data. Okay, now we're looking for range. I have it on range right now, but if yours is not on range, you just press up and down through this menu here and you just select range. Okay, now what we're going to do in range, we're going to press and hold down OK for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds we're going to let go, and it's going to bring us to service menu. So we're holding it down for 5 seconds. All right, then we're going to let go, and this is the service menu. Okay, now you can go right here to reset oil change service, hit OK. You want to reset the oil change service, hit OK, and you're pretty much done. If the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.